That's right. Grade 6 will mix with grade 7. Experiment, and we will show what we can do. So I cannot have 5 students in one area. Yes, 2 or other than here. That's right.
Mass 45 divided by 10.
Once you will finish reading this class, it's for your safety. In this class, it will be late.
Yeah.
That's why I put 2 words.
Like this plastic.
That's why I said it. Still written.
You said 60.
We're gonna change the mass and then the whole. How much did it write?
We did the same experiment.
500
Have a look. You have to be very careful, okay? Okay, switch it on, switch it off. Now I'm going to switch it on, okay? Fine? So then you will continue your process.
You're supposed to do that in the first test.
Yes,